Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and this is part two on finding double lines. We've already found all the double lines. We've already removed them, but I stated the football wasn't symmetrical. It wasn't even, and you can play around with this. Right click on that and turn it into a cusp. I've already done that. Let's turn it in. Well, let's just leave it a cusp, but what you do, if you turn it into a cusp, only one handle moves at a time. So if you right click and turn it in, or left click actually, and then turn that into a cusp, then only one handle moves. So I've got the football pretty symmetrical on this side. So, and I've made several videos like this, but then grab all your interior parts. I still got my nudge factor set on, or my nudge distance set on 18. Let's zoom in here a little bit. So we're going to say the left side of the football is better than the right side. We're going to take a 2-point line, and holding down the control button, you get a perfect line straight up and down. Hit P and put in the center of the page. Take your virtual segment delete key and just delete that side of the football. Delete your line. Control D to make a duplicate of that half. And just slowly cursor it over, and it'll put it, and now it's symmetrical. Check to make sure there's no leaks by holding down the or smart filling it. Now let's move it over to the right. Let's left click, right click, and now, because we've already fixed those letters, your football is welded together. Then I would take it and Control G and hit P on your keyboard. And especially as a plasma cutter, you always want to hit F4 to make sure there's nothing else on your screen. A laser cutter, if it's off your bed, it doesn't matter. A plasma cutter doesn't have that luxury. It will see anything. If you have a broken piece over here and you do not see it, it's going to cause your plasma cutter hell. So hit F4, and when you see something like that, you know you've got too much. It could even be a hidden object, and they cause you problems. We're going to put no outline. Well, that object is still there, but you cannot see it. So we're going to zoom in on our football, and we think, well, we're clear, everything's gone. Hit F4, and if your football's not in the center, just take your pick tool, and there it is right there, and then just hit delete, and then hit F4 again. This should be ready to cut out with a lot less nodes than he had before, and a little bit more symmetrical. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.